tower low. Speedbird 6 November Charlie with you fully established 24 right.
Speedbird 6 November Charlie Heavy, Montreal, bonsoir. Wind 2906. Cleared to land, runway 24 right.
Clear to land 24 right, Speedbird 6 November Charlie.
Speedbird 6 November Charlie. Taxi Bravo 2, cross runway 28. Going clear at Foxtrot taxiway, contact apron 12207.
Thank you very much. Bravo 2 and stay clear of Fox, Bravo 2, cross runway 8 and then clear of Foxtrot 12207. Sorry.
That's okay, sir. You got it all correct, and enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Good morning, Speedbird 94 Heavy, taxi hold short 6 left, need a couple of minutes for departure. Speedbird 94, my friend. Speedbird 94, when would you be ready?
2 minutes, Speedbird 94.
Okay, Roger, just arrange the taxi, follow the Transat, the one at the 1 o'clock, follow him, and hold short 6 left.
Yeah, follow air Transat, hold short 6 left, Speedbird 94. Speedbird 94, we are now ready for departure.
Roger. Speedbird 94, 9 up, runway 6 left.
9 up, runway 6 left, Speedbird 94.
Speedbird 94, airborne, contact departures, clear for takeoff, runway 6 left.
After airborne, contact departure, clear for takeoff, 6 left, Speedbird 94.